on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap down today, post which we also saw a sharp pullback. However, that pullback was sold into, and the Nifty ultimately ended the day with a 93-point cut in today's trading session. The market breadth was negative, with 517 advances to 1035 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, NTPC, Tata Motors, GAIL and JP Associates were some of the handful number of stocks which closed with minor gains in today's trading session. On the flip side, HDFC, TCS, State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, Hindalco, Bank of Baroda were some of the major losers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty opened with a gap down. It saw a sharp pullback. However, it faced resistance at the 40-day exponential moving average. And in today's trading session, it has closed below that. Now we feel that closing below this crucial moving average has bearish implications, and now the Nifty can continue its fall on the downside. Onto the downside, we feel that 7700, which is a 7747, which is a 20-week moving average, and below that 7720, which is the equality target of this wave from 8160 till 7841. So that equality target comes to around 7720, and the 20-week moving average is also placed at 7747. So this 30-40 point kind of a range is a crucial area, support area, around which the Nifty can take support. However, our trend or our bias on the Nifty shall remain negative. Our target on the downside is placed at 7620. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening gap down, we saw a sharp pullback. However, that pullback was sold into, and now in our earlier update we pointed out that in the previous update we pointed out that the Bollinger Bands had contracted, and now we would we were expecting an expansion of the Bollinger Bands. Now in today's trading session, that expansion has happened, and the prices are trading near the lower hourly Bollinger Bands. So which indicates that the prices are weak and the fall shall continue in the coming trading sessions on the downside. So the strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on every rises and hold on to the short positions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is comparatively weaker as compared to other indices. It has broken below the previous swing low in today's trading session, so which indicates that a new leg or a new wave on the downside has started, which can take the Bank Nifty till 14,700 initially on the downside, and below that 14,430 on the downside. So crucial supports are placed at 14,709 and 14,429. On the upside, 15,305 and 15,429 are crucial resistances. In our earlier updates, we pointed out that Bank Nifty was weaker than the other indices because Bank Nifty since past 3 to 4 trading sessions was making lower lows as compared to Nifty, which was trading in a sideways manner. So the Bank Nifty already gave earlier indications that the fall might just be coming in the coming trading sessions. Today the Nifty has sold off and the Bank Nifty has also sold off. So we expect this fall in the Nifty and Bank Nifty to continue on the downside. Crucial levels on the downside are placed at 77.47 and 77.20. On the upside, 79.30, which is the 40-day exponential moving average, is a crucial resistance, and above that 79.70 is also a crucial resistance. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains Nifty and Bank Nifty remains negative. The strategy to play should be to trade in Nifty should be to sell on every rises. That's all for the day.